Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Brian from One Touch Detailing, and today we got a package here that I ordered, and I wanted to go over and discuss with you guys. Let's open up the package. So what we order here is a pressure washer rail for our pressure washer. Just wanted to show you unboxing. Start with the unboxing packages first. We get it out well packaged here. Packaged it into one package and put it into another one. Here's our packaging. Give you a quick spin. Get into opening the box. Want to be careful you don't cut anything, cut your hands, your fingers. And so the pressure washer rail is designed to connect to your pressure washer, so that way you can have a more easier connection. You don't have your cords all tangled up with the standard hose that the pressure washer came with. So this is designed to connect to your pressure washer and give you basically an extension, so you can add on X amount of feet, and you can just easily pull and wrap it back up with your hands. So we're going to get with pulling this out the package, and we're going to get right into the video. In this package here is going to have all of my fittings and things like that. We'll unwrap all this, take this out of the bubble wrap. Just place it here. They give you a piece here that you want to connect your whip line to. I'll show you in a second. So here's our whip line. I'll get a pressure washer in a second display. I have an old active pressure washer I can display and show you guys. But here's the whip line. It's about I think 4.5 feet long or 3.5 feet long. And what you'll do is you're connected here, right on the bottom of this line. You'll connect your whip line. I'll lightly connect it. I won't fully connect it right now. So that'll get connected there. Once you open up your fittings, you have a box of fittings. It will have your handle. It will have a piece to hold your pressure washer hose from wrapping up and around. This also have a locking, so you can freely spin. And if you lock it with the pin, it can no longer spin no more. I'll open up the box for the fittings. I'm not going to make this video too long, guys. Just wanted to get into something quick. And to display this pressure washer fitting, I'll also put the link in the bio if you guys are interested in purchasing the same exact pressure washer rail for your mobile setup. Just want to be careful opening up this box. I am doing everything live, no edits. All right. So in this box, let me show you what they give you. Give you a M22 connector. Not sure if you guys can see that M22 connector here. They also give you a two-threaded, it's a threaded, I want to say washer or whatever this connector piece, but one size is a different size from the other. And they gave you a elbow here to connect the elbow, so you can have that correct swivel. You'll put it here. That way your wire don't get bent up too much. And then in the bag, like I said, you have your handle. They give you another piece to connect here. Come a little closer and show you what's in the bag. So in this bag, they give you your Teflon tape to wrap up your hoses. Like I said, a handle to properly use your pressure washer rail, and you can wrap up when you're ready to use it, you'll put it on the handle and you'll wrap your cords around. Teflon tape. They have another bracket here to for another connector piece. Not sure which ones you need, depends on what you need. And a bunch of different screws and things for mounting the pressure washer reel down, and other things. All right, guys, so I'm back. I didn't want to make this video too long, but I did wanted to show you guys how to connect the pressure washer reel once you get all your fittings set up and you get everything connected. So what you do is you'll connect this M22 piece to here. I won't connect it all the way. I'll just lightly screw everything. And on your pressure washer, this is a Active 2.0 pressure washer. I'll also put that link in the bio. You'll put your M22 here. You'll simply connect and screw. You'll connect and screw that there, like that. And when you have your pressure washer reel connected, you'll have this all wrapped around. Your hose, your main hose, will go into the pressure washer itself. So hope that makes sense to everybody. Hope you guys understand that. This was a quick demonstration on the pressure washer reel that I ordered. Also a quick demonstration on how to set up your pressure washer reel if you guys are doing a mobile setup, at home setup, or a garage setup. You can have something pretty nice and a pretty clean setup, and something that's not all over the place. Because sometimes when you have these pressure washer rails, the cord get kind of tangled up if you don't have some type of holding station. This pressure washer reel on Amazon is $67. I purchased it with tax. It's total to $72 with tax. It comes with all of these pieces that you've seen that I showed you guys in the bag, all of these fittings here. Like I said, again, I'll be putting the link in the bio. That way, if anybody's interested, you could click the link and just simply purchase that, right? My name is Brian. I'm going to be signing off. If you are interested in anything, or if you want to know any more information, or if you want me to do any other videos, drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Drop a comment. Let me know if you have any more questions. And that's going to pretty much wrap up the video, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. You already know, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also hit that notification button so when I drop another video. Appreciate it, man. Thank you.